So today we had a colour run for the kids. Every year we try and think of something different for them to come and do and get together with their cousins and have a fun day.
Always love it when our Tamariki can come together. It's about our young ones getting to know each other in a fun environment. Big kids and little kids. If you see all around us, all the ones that got really involved in the colour run, that's the big kids. But love having our whānau come together. Love the enjoyment of whānau together and occasions of where our Tamariki are first, and it's all about our kids.
I just feel like we really look forward to these events so that all of our kids can connect again. It's like the one time we see, or not the one time, but all of our kids are all in one place. Like there's 16 first cousins, and it's usually at these events is where they're all in one place at one time.
It's just good to see all the whānau together, all the Tamariki. They're all related in some way, but a lot of them haven't met. So it's just good to get them all together and see them ripping around, having fun.
Before all of this, we had nothing. We were pohara as, and this is a collection of our kaumatua, our tipuna, who put together and believed that one day we'd have a marae, that all our kids would know who each other are, and that this is exactly what today's all about, is ensuring that their moimoia is intact.